afternoon. Well, a hidden camera was found reportedly in a women students' hostel washroom, and this was an engineering college in Andhra Pradesh. And according to preliminary information, this hidden camera was found inside the washroom. And not only that, the videos that were captured in this hidden camera were reportedly sold at a price, which is why there have been massive protests on campus at this engineering college. Those are the visuals that you can see, students taking to the streets. In fact, the students have demanded justice. In fact, they continue to raise slogans, and this was after the girl students say that they're scared to even enter the washroom area given the fact that a hidden camera was found there. The police are yet to respond to this incident. We're not sure if there are any arrests that have been made in this particular case, but an absolutely shocking incident given the fact that these washroom videos were actually sold at a price. So the girls students saying that they're scared to even enter the washroom there. But you can see the kind of protests there on campus there at the engineering college in the Christian district of Andhra Pradesh. So far, no arrests have been made. My colleague Uma Sudhir has more details.
This shocking incident has come to light from the Gudlavalleru Engineering College in Andhra Pradesh, where we are being told that a camera was found inside the washroom of the hostel, women's hostel, and after this was discovered, the students got into a panic, and in fact they had protests all through the night till the early hours today. What we understand is that a fourth-year engineering student has been taken into custody. His laptop has also been seized, and as many as 300 photographs, videos have been found which are incriminating in this case. And the understanding as of now is that he may have shared this with not just the students but also people outside. All that it is of course part of investigation now. What we understand is that another student, girl student in the same college, she may have been caught on camera in a compromising situation. What we are being told is that possibly a video from an OYO room which was used to blackmail that student and then force her to install the camera inside the washroom where all this recording has happened. Right now, the college authorities reportedly initially did not take the kind of action that is expected of them, but subsequently these girls have protested and demanded justice and to ensure that security of the girls is ensured in hostels like this. So not just this fourth-year engineering student who I am not identifying because he may be a minor, but other students are also being questioned, and all their gadgets will also now be examined to find out whether what kind of involvement they have had, complicity, because even sharing or knowing about this kind of a crime and not reporting it, all that could be coming under the purview of the law.